This is a trailing edge ZigBee quad dimmer, 50 watt load for LED and 100 watt load for incandescent, halogen, CE certified. Now we're gonna introduce how to wear and how to connect with the ZigBee devices. Let's take a look at the product itself. There is a rotary knob for dimming. Back here, the pairing button for network pairing, touch link, factory reset. An indicator shows the status of different color when having different settings. A macro switch for minimum brightness setting. This quad dimmer works with neutral wire, so we got 4 terminals, L in and N in, L out and N out. Now we're gonna connect the wires. Step 1. Unscrew the protection mat and the closing screws. Step 2. Take out the knob and the front cover. Step 3. Unscrew the cord anchorage. Step 4. Connect supply cable to the terminals L and N of the electronic board. Step 5. Connect line cable to the terminals, identified by the symbol of the electronic board. Now, we need to fasten the lines through the 4 screws. Step 6. Mount the front cover and the knob. Screwing the screws. And put the protection mat. Now we test the dimmer. Firstly, press the knob once to turn on the lamp. And rotate it to dim the brightness you want. And turn off it. Our ZigBee dimmer could work with Philips Hue, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. To connect with Philips Hue, please make sure you have your Hue bridge and your phone on the same Wi-Fi. Open the Hue app, go to the settings, find light setup, and choose add light. Then don't press the powering button on the dimmer. With seeing the red light to make sure this device is in factory reset mode. And double press the dimmer to activate the powering mode. Now, touch the switch on the phone. After a few seconds, there will be a new light on the screen. Go back to the home setting. Choose Rooms and Zones. Create a new room for new light. And back to home. Now you can control your light remotely.